The Immersed Weight Interactive Calculator helps engineers determine the apparent weight of objects submerged in fluids. Let's explore the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. You can calculate immersed weight, object volume, fluid density, object density, buoyant force, or weight in air. For this demo, we'll use Calculate Immersed Weight, which is already selected. Next, enter your weight in air in newtons. Then input the object volume in cubic meters. For fluid density, enter the value in kilograms per cubic meter. The gravity field defaults to 9.81 meters per second squared, which works for most Earth-based applications. The immersed weight and object mass fields will be calculated outputs. After clicking Calculate, the Results section displays your calculated values. The immersed weight shows the apparent weight of your submerged object. The buoyant force indicates the upward force exerted by the fluid. Additional outputs include the object mass, weight reduction percentage, and float status, which tells you whether the object will sink or float based on the density comparison. This tool streamlines buoyancy calculations for marine engineering, underwater construction, and materials testing applications. Find the link in the description below.